So in our last class also, we were discussing the application of chemistry in industry. Half of the part already we have discussed and half we will discuss today. So at first we will start with application of chemistry in automobile and transport. The first one we will start application of chemistry in industry, and the first part is in automobile and transport. So if we talk about automobile and transport, nowadays the use of automobile and transport in a very wide range. That's why industries, they are producing large variety or large amount of different machinery, different vacuum instruments and all in a large quantity. That's why chemistry is playing nowadays a major role in transportation and automobile. So first one we can see iron and steel. Okay, iron and steel is first we will discuss the use of iron and steel. So if we can see any machinery part, suppose we can take a vehicle, we can take any household machinery part. The machinery part is made up of iron and steel. Okay, so what for iron and steel? It makes strength to the machine. It gives it the power to work for more days. So iron and steel are used to make machines. The second one, copper. Generally, when we will talk about electrical instruments like mixing or washing machine, TV, ACs and all, the electrical instruments or the electrical machines generally have copper wires, because copper is a good conductor of electricity. Copper can conduct electricity very easily. So copper is used in electric machines to pass current. Here I have written copper used in electric machine to pass current. The third one is alloys. Okay, so let me first tell you what is an alloy. Alloy is a mixture of metals and non-metals. If we will mix metals and non-metal in equal amount or in equal proportion, we call it as an alloy. So remember, alloy is a mixture of metal and non-metal. So what are the use of alloys? Alloys are used to make different parts of vehicle. Okay, some other parts of vehicles are made by using alloys. And remember, alloys are, see here we have discussed about iron and steel. These are the metals, but alloys are the combination of metals as well as non-metals. Okay, so alloys are used to make some other parts of vehicles. Plastic and fibers. Plastic and fibers are also widely used in different machineries. You can ask to your mother, she can show you the fiber blades. Actually, when we are using fibers, we can use it for more days. Okay, because the fibers, the strong fibers are unbreakable. They are more durable. We can use it for more days. So plastic and fibers are used for for making different parts of vehicles or different parts of some machineries. So here you have written makes the vehicles durable, comfortable and long lasting. So when we are using plastic and fiber for vehicles, it makes the vehicle to run for more days. Okay, it makes it, that's why I have written here durable, means it will run for more days. Comfortable, it will give comfort when we will ride it, and long lasting. Okay, next one is petrol, kerosene and diesel. As we know what these all are, these are used as a fuel. Okay, petrol, kerosene and diesel, they are generally used as fuel to run different machineries. In bracket, if you can see here, I have written non-renewable. What do you mean by non-renewable resources? Non-renewable resources means once it is completed, it cannot be formed again. Okay? Non-renewable resources are the resources, once it is over, it cannot renew itself. It cannot form once again. Okay? That is called non-renewable resources. So these fuels like petrol, kerosene and diesel are used widely in different machineries, but they are non-renewable resources. That's why we should consume the fuel. Okay, we should not waste fuel. The last one here we can see solar, wind and hydro energy. Solar energy means from sun. Wind create energy. Hydro means by the power of water. Some of you might have been to the dams, okay, where the Hirakud dam and all, where they are generating electricity by using water. That is called hydro energy. So these kind of energy we can write renewable energy source. Renewable energy source means we can use it. See, solar energy will never, we can consume it forever. Okay, it will not, sun will not stop giving the energy. Okay, so these fuels, once we will misuse the fuels, once it will over means we cannot regenerate the fuel. That because it takes number of years to make fuel inside the earth crust. Okay, somewhere in geography and all you will read. Okay, so the fuels we can call it as non-renewable resources used in different machinery, and solar, wind and hydro energy we can call it as renewable resources to run different machinery. Nowadays solar cookers or solar gas are available. Okay, and different things, wind, by using wind energy also several we can start several machinery. You can see the wind fan. Okay, by the help of wind, when wind will blow, the leaves or the arms of the fan will move, which will create energy. This all part we will discuss later on. Just now remember, some are renewable resources of energy, some are non-renewable resources of energy. So we should not waste the non-renewable resources, because once it get over, we cannot produce or we cannot have the resource again. So these are some of the uses of chemistry in automobiles and transport. Got it? The next part we will come cement. Okay, cement is a very familiar word for us. Cement is used in wide range for construction work and all. So let's see what are the uses of cement, okay, in our life. Here see I have written, it is a mixture of limestone, gypsum and clay. Cement is actually a mixture of limestone. Already we have discussed about limestone. What is limestone? Limestone we can tell a white rock. Okay, if we will crush the white rock. Here in your book it is written sedimentary white rock. Here now no need to go for the sedimentation, that is another part. Just remember, limestone is a crushed form of white rock. Okay. Gypsum also we have already discussed. It is a kind of it contains a kind of chemical. What is that? Calcium sulfate. Do not go for the chemical names also. After completion of second chapter, I will give you the chemical names. Okay. For now, just remember limestone, gypsum and clay. The mixture of that will form cement. Okay. So what are the uses of cement? See, white cement. White cements are used to make mosaic tiles. Okay. Mosaic tiles are generally made by using white cements, white color cements. Cement plus calcium stearate to make waterproof roof. Okay, roof which will not get damaged during rainy season. Waterproof roof, or some roofs are there which will not allow water to come inside. We call it as waterproof roofs. Okay, so what are the combination? Cement plus calcium stearate. If you will combine cement and calcium stearate, we can make it. We can use it for waterproof roof. Okay. Next, cement plus stone plus sand plus water. If you will mix cement, stone, sand and water, you can use it as a concrete to make concrete roads and all. What all are that? Cement, stone, water and sand. Combinedly, we can use it as a concrete to make roads and all. Okay, so these are some uses of cement. Okay, now come to the next use, glasses. What is glass? Glass is generally hard in structure, and we can have three types of glasses. What are the three types of glasses we can have? transparent, translucent and opaque. What is transparent glass? Transparent glass means if we will keep it, then we can see the other part of the glass also. Or the very easily I can explain. If you will keep a transparent glass and you will apply a torch, okay, the light source over the glass, it will not form a shadow, okay, it will pass over the glass. This part also we will have in physics, okay, you will read in physics. So here transparent means which allow the light to pass, so that the other part of the glass is also clearly visible. That is called transparent. What is translucent? Translucent means partly visible. You can also take an example of your bottle. Okay, what bottle, water bottle that you are using, that is translucent. You can see the other part, but not clearly. Little, it is not clear. So partly you can see the other part. So it will partly allow the light and partly it will not allow the light. Okay. And what is opaque glass? Opaque glass, these are the glasses which will not allow the light to pass at all. When you will apply a light source over it, it will form a shadow this side. Means it will not allow the light to pass. And if you will keep the glass over our face, then we cannot see the other part of the glass. This is called opaque. Again I am saying, in transparent we can able to see the other part. In translucent, partly visible, means somehow little bit we can see and some parts are not visible clearly. And in opaque, not at all visible. We cannot see the other part at all. So glasses will be of three types: transparent, translucent and opaque type of glasses. So here I have written how it is prepared. It is prepared by heating silica. Silica is a kind of sand. Okay, it is prepared by heating silica, sodium carbonate, limestone and sodium nitrate. Okay, so the combination of silica, limestone, okay, sodium carbonate and sodium nitrate forms glass. These all formula, don't worry, after the completion of second chapter I will give you. Okay, so now need not to learn the need not to go for the chemical formulas. Just if possible remember the names. Sodium carbonate, okay, NaCO3, sodium nitrate. These all I will give you. The chemical formulas I will give you later. Okay, so these are the combination of to make glasses. Now let's talk about the uses of glass. Types of glass and uses. Here one side I have written the types of glass. Different types of glasses are available. And what are the uses of the types of glasses? Number one, soda lime glass. Okay, it is a kind of glass which are used to make window pane and low cost glasswares. Okay, you can see in windows, some of the windows we are using glass, that is soda lime glass. Okay, and to make low cost glasswares also. Okay, and sometimes we are also using low cost glasswares that are used made by using limestone glass. Soda lime glass. Second, potash glass. What is potash glass? What is the use of potash glass? High cost glassware. Soda lime glasses are used to make low cost glasswares, but these are used for making high cost glasswares and decorative items. Okay, high cost glasswares and the decorative items made up of glass that we are using, that is made up of potash glass. Third, flint or crystal glasses. These are used for making optical instruments. Here you can see optical instruments and electric bulb. What is optical? Optic means, remember, eye. Okay, optical instrument means the instruments used to operate the eye. Okay, somehow for the surgery of eye or something. The instruments used for eye purpose, we call it as optical instruments. So flint or crystal glasses are used for making optical instruments and electric bulb also. Fourth, safety glasses. these are used for making bulletproof glass. Okay, when you might have seen in some films and all, some of the glasses are there which will not allow the bullet fired from gun to pass it. Okay, even it can resist bullet also. Okay, so these are made up of safety glasses. Safety glasses are all generally used by several defense purpose. Okay, these are used for what? Bulletproof glass. Used as a bulletproof glass. Number 5, colored glasses. Colorful. Actually, generally, when we will add color to the glass, it will produce different colors: red, blue, yellow, whichever color we can add it to the glass. So, colored glasses are used generally as sunglasses, traffic signal light. Okay, only 1, 2 uses I have written. This is enough. Colored glasses are generally used. There are some other uses also. Generally, it is used as sunglasses. We have different shade or different colors of sunglasses we are using, and it is also used as a light for traffic signal: red, green, yellow. Okay, so these are colored glasses. Number 6, Pyrex glass. Pyrex glass are used in laboratory instruments. In chemical laboratories, several instruments are used for several purposes. So, these Pyrex glasses are used for what? Laboratory, for making laboratory instruments. Number 7, quartz glass. Quartz glasses are used for making, see here I have written, crucibles and tubes in laboratories. So what are crucibles? Listen carefully, okay? Crucibles are the kind of, a kind of a pan or pot-like structure where the chemists, they can heat the chemical that is made up of glass, but the more any chemical can be heated up to high extent, but the glass will not break. That kind of instrument used in labs are called as crucibles. Again I am telling, crucibles are the instruments used in lab which are used for heating different chemicals, and if we will heat up to high extent also, the glass will not break. That will be designed in that manner. So quartz glasses are used for making crucibles and tubes in laboratories. Several test tubes and all we are using. In a higher class, when you will go to lab, then you can have a good idea about that. So test tubes and all we can make it by using what? Quartz glass. Next, photochromatic glass. Photo means what? Light. So photochromatic glasses are generally used for making spectacles. You might have seen some spectacles. When we will go to sunlight, the color of the glass will change to black, and when we will again come to the shade, it will again regain its normal color. So that kind of glasses are made by photochromatic glass, means which are light sensitive. When light will fall on that glass, it will change its color. Most of us we are using photochromatic glasses. The spectacles that will be normal inside the room, and when we go outside, when it will come in contact with the sunlight, it will change its color. Okay, so that are made up of photochromatic glass. Next, optical fibers. These are the type of glasses which are used in telephone and internet wires. To make telephone and internet wires, we can use optical fibers. Okay, so these are some types of glasses, and the use of the types of glasses, go through it. Okay, just a very simple 1, 2 example I have written, so that it will be easy for you to remember, and you will also find very interesting, and it will also give you good knowledge. By seeing a kind of glass, you can remind of what kind of glass it may made of. Okay, also I will give you one practical activity to see different glasswares in your home, and you have to record and tell me what kind of glass may be used. Okay, so the next part we will go for the use of chemistry in industries, that soaps and detergents. Okay.